Hello, this is Praveen. Welcome to another video tutorial from the Microsoft Power Platform series. Some of you might already know that I was planning to record a series of videos on Microsoft Power Platform. Power BI is now a major member of Power Platform, and for me, this technology is the simplest and at the same time I call complex member in the family. It's a self-service business intelligence tool, and you do not require hardcore technical skills to create reports and dashboards. But having said that, me going directly to the intermediate or advanced features may not look good. So to avoid myself regretting later, let me present you this video, getting started with Power BI. So showing how you can create a report like a hello world that you can find tons of videos on the internet. So I will go with a sample. The COVID-19 fiasco is very hot today. Let me try to explore something on that topic today. So this is our agenda. So since this is a getting started Power BI series, let me show you how we can download Power BI. There are different editions available, where one is the Power BI desktop, next is the online version. We will talk about that later. Let us use Power BI desktop, which is a free version available from Microsoft for our getting started video. Then we'll find a publicly available free API to get COVID-19 data. Then from Power BI desktop, we will load data from that API and we will do some data cleanup. We will not be doing any complex advanced cleanup, just add remove few columns. That's the maximum data cleanup I am going to do. Then finally we will create a report. So let us start. To download Power BI, you just take Google and type Power BI. In the first result itself, you can see the downloads, which will lead you directly to the downloads page. You can see many downloads, many different types of downloads available. Don't bother about that. What we require for our example is just the Power BI desktop. Again, you can see two types of downloads. One is about downloading from the Microsoft Marketplace or Windows Store. The second one is the setup download. I would go with the advanced download options. You can choose any, whatever your preference is. So I will go with English. When you click download, you will be asked which version do you want, is the 32-bit or the 64-bit. So choose one and click next, and the file will be downloaded. Then you can click the exe file to install it. That's it. Once you have downloaded Power BI and installed it, next in our task list is to find a good COVID-19 dataset API. So there are many free as well as paid APIs available over the internet. You just find COVID-19 API and you can see many. You just have to check which one is suitable for you. So I will go with one random. I think this will be good. Yes, this is a good one. So there are many APIs available. We will go with the summary. So copy that and try it in browser, or you have to use some tools like Postman. So we are getting this list, right? it's in the JSON format. So this summary is about a summary of new and total cases per country updated daily. So this uses the basic authentication, and since we are able to see the dataset in the browser, that means the anonymous access is also possible. So we do not have to go with advanced settings, advanced authentication settings in Power BI. We can blindly use this URL for loading data. Next, open the already installed Power BI by clicking the Start button. Once Power BI desktop is loaded, you can start getting the data. Click Get Data here. The API which we are going to use is publicly available, and it opened in the browser. That means that's a HTTP or web-based API, right? So either you can choose this web here or click more, and you will get many number of connectors. From that you can choose the web. Again, there are different types of connectors available for different purposes, right? If one connector which you are looking for is not available, you can create a custom connector also. So I will go with the web connector. Choose that, connect. So it will be asking you the URL. So we have the URL already copied from there. Paste it. Click OK. A sample data is loaded, and you will be presented with a Power Query editor. This is the place where you will be doing some kind of data cleanup. In our example, we really do not have to do any kind of cleanup. We can use this data set as it is. But just for the sake of showing some action, let us remove the unwanted columns. Okay, this ID we do not require, message we do not require, new confirmed or global. We are going to do some BI experiments with the country information only. Okay, so we will remove the rest of the columns from this. Just shift click to select multiple columns. So I am going to remove all the global data. Now the countries are started, so just right click and you can remove the columns. Now I have the country ID, the country name, country code. Still, if you think we do not require this, you can remove it. Okay, I will keep those. So once the cleanup task is over, you can just click the close and apply button. Now it is creating the connection in model, loading the data. It's almost done. Voila, it's ready. The report work area is ready for the action. What we are going to do next is the interesting part of this exercise. This is the Power BI desktop workspace, the virtual visualization workspace. There are three icons you can see. This first one is the report, the screen which you are seeing here, the work area. Here is the place you will be designing visualizations. Next icon is about the data. Let's have a quick look at the data which we have loaded here. Then the third one, the data modeling area. This we will discuss later. So go back to the visualization, go back to the reports area. So on the right side you can see some filters, visualizations and fields, right? So visualizations are about the graphs, the tables, R, Python, and if you do not see the feature which you are looking for here, then you can either download the third-party feature or you can come up with your own visualization, so it will show here. So, and the third column is about the fields. That's the column names are listed from the data which we have imported. Now first we will go with the simplest one. We will go with a table first. We know what is a table, right? So let us create a custom table. So I want to list the country names as the first column. Great. Now I will go with the total confirmed cases. So the number will be listed. So in the world, the globally, we have this much number of cases reported, and country wise data is also available. If you click at the in the column name, it will get sorted as well. So you can see sorted in the descending order. United States of America has the largest most number of cases reported, followed by India the second. Now I will place one pie chart. Let us see, it's very simple. We will take all the total cases here, 1, 2, 3. You can drag the splitter to read all the full column names, right? So we have the total confirmed, total deaths and recovered data here. So the religion is also available here, and you can see the total confirmed is this orange area, and the deaths, the number of deaths is 1.29% only, and that's very small, right? Now we will have a look at one more visualization. Let me remove. You can just select and press the delete button on your keyboard, so that will be deleted. Another feature here, for example, we have one table visualization here, right? So just select that and click another visualization, so automatically it will be converted to that visualization. That's also another feature, and these are all interactive. So if you have multiple controls, visualization controls available, the filtering process also will happen, a drilling process also will happen. So that those features we will discuss in the coming videos. So as a last visualization, I will put this map. Since we have the country data, it will be easy to visualize the map. So let me zoom a bit. Now I am going to list the countries first. Now I want to see which all countries has the most number of cases confirmed. I will go with this countries.total confirmed. Click. Okay, it is very clear, right? The size of that circle you can see. So the America, USA has the most number, and next India has the second one. And when you click this, if you have another visualization, you should be able to see the drill down version, the data version as well. So rest I am leaving it to you as a homework. Thank you.